Hey everyone, it's Charlie from Daily Motor. We're here with the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport GT. This has the top-level 6-speaker audio system. This is going to be a little demo of the system. We're going to listen to a few sample tracks, show you the details of the settings in the infotainment system, and let you get a listen for it. And the tracks we're listening to are uncompressed WAV files saved to a flash drive plugged directly into the system for the best audio quality possible. Before we get started, let's head out and take a quick look at the vehicle. So this is the top level trim of the Outlander Sport. It's Mitsubishi's smallest SUV option. Got it a little dirty here from doing some off-roading. This car actually has a fully lockable four-wheel drive system, so you can actually have a little bit of fun with it off-road. Okay, so the sound system is set to its default factory settings right now for the equalizer. We're going to listen to a few songs, I'll show you through the system, go for a drive so you can hear it at speed, and that'll be it. So the sound system doesn't have too many settings. So if we press here, we've got fader balance. We've also got in tone here, treble, mid, and bass. Equalizer for apparently different sort of sound music styles. Let's see how those sound here. We got rock, pop, hip hop, country, and normal. Not exactly what I'd call an equalizer, more like sound modes. And then you've got speed compensated volume, 4 different levels for that. All right, let's head out on the road. We'll see what it's like at speed. So as you can hear, there is a decent amount of wind noise and road noise. Kind of drowns out these softer parts of the songs. Now in terms of inputs, the Outlander Sport has USB, Bluetooth, FM, AM, Sirius XM, and iPod compatibility through USB, but there's no auxiliary jack and there's no CD player. Sound quality isn't fantastic. It's only 6 speakers. There's no sort of surround to the system. There's no subwoofer. It's very, very standard fare, and it's not going to compete with any of the higher end systems from other automakers or from independent audio manufacturers. Putting a 1 to 10 rating on the sound system in the Outlander Sport, I'd give it a 4. There's really nothing inspiring about it. It doesn't sound awful, but you could get a good Bluetooth speaker that sounded just about the same, especially when you're going at speed. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. I'm Charlie with Daily Motor. Drive on.